Imagine waking up not to an alarm, but to light, a soft glow that fills your room, perfectly timed, just before you open your eyes. The air is already 2 degrees warmer, the chill of dawn already gone. In the kitchen, the coffee machine hums to life. Your day has started, but not by accident. Your HomeKit. This isn't some far-off futuristic dream. This is what living in a connected home will feel like in 2025. It is a space that moves in sync with you. Notice what's missing. No fumbling for switches, no reaching for your phone. The house has learned your habits: when to warm the room, when to start the music, when to quietly fade the lights. It's not just reacting anymore. It's predicting. Think about it. The smart lock at the front door clicks softly as the dog walker arrives. The system recognizes their schedule and grants access automatically. Cameras confirm their identity. Lights guide their path, and the door relatches as soon as they leave. Every movement, every task, is part of a single, intelligent language. This isn't a house full of separate devices. It's one mind, distributed across the walls and wires, all working together for you. As you walk into the kitchen, the sunlight creeps through the blinds just as the lights fade, sensing the shift from artificial glow to natural warmth. A countertop screen flashes gently. Good morning. It scrolls through your day's calendar, reminders. It's all subtle, designed not to distract, but to blend into the flow of your morning. You don't even think about it anymore. The home just handles itself. Leaving for work used to be a checklist of chaos. Did I lock the doors? Turn off the lights? Set the alarm? Now, it's one simple motion. You close the door, and everything responds. The thermostat drops into energy-saving mode. Lights fade to black, and security arms itself. Your car synced to the same system, even starts warming its seats as you approach. There's no on or off anymore, just your presence and your absence. The home knows the difference, and it acts accordingly. And that connection doesn't stop when you leave. A ping on your phone. A package has been delivered. It's not just left on the porch. It's safely placed inside after the courier used a secure, one-time access code. A photo confirmation appears right on your screen. Later, when a friend arrives early for dinner, you can unlock the door for them remotely. You watch through a live camera as the living room lights fade into a soft, welcoming amber. And the smart speaker starts playing a welcome playlist. This isn't just about automation. It's about coordination, across any distance, at any time. Coming home is where the magic really happens. As your car turns into the driveway, your home's geolocation triggers a sequence. The porch lights turn on, the front door unlocks, and the temperature resets to your perfect comfort mode. By the time you step through the doorway, the house feels alive again. The hallway glows softly. A faint, pleasant scent from the diffuser hangs in the air, and a relaxing playlist rolls out from the living room. Everything that matters happens before you even have to think about it. Dinner unfolds with the quiet efficiency of a symphony. The oven, preheated on schedule, signals it's ready. The fridge displays the recipe you saved earlier in the week. And as you sit down to eat, the lights adjust automatically, balancing their tone with the fading sun outside. Your home isn't just responding to commands. It's creating atmosphere. It's aware of your mood. But the real beauty lies in the invisible threads weaving it all together. The lights talk to the locks talk to the thermostat, and the thermostat talks to sensors that measure movement, temperature, and even the ambient mood. The system notices when the house is empty, and energy consumption drops dramatically. You get a quiet notification. All systems idle. Estimated savings, 22% today. Your home isn't just trying to be smart for the sake of it. It's learning balance, when to act and when to step back, saving you money and energy without you lifting a finger. Night brings its own calming rituals. Around 9 p.m., the system begins its wind-down sequence. Lights fade to warmer tones. The speaker volume lowers, and the security network syncs with the outdoor cameras. A faint vibration from your phone. Doors locked. All secure. You glance once, then put your phone aside. It is no longer about constantly being in control. It's about having complete trust in your home. Even unexpected moments are handled with calm confidence. A soft sound at the door late at night. Your camera recognizes a neighbor and flashes a discreet notification. Known visitor detected, no loud alarms, no unnecessary noise. Just clear, calm information. Every single piece of your home, from the light bulbs to the deadbolts, shares the same brain. It's constantly learning, flowing with data, and adjusting. It remembers when you come and go, what temperature feels right at sunset, and how bright the kitchen should be for reading versus cooking. This isn't cold automation. It's thoughtful, personal adaptation. And you are always at the center of it. On weekends, your routine shifts. You sleep in, you have slower mornings, you listen to different music. The system notices, it adapts its rhythm like a companion that listens more than it speaks. The blackout blinds stay shut, the lights hold off, and the coffee waits until motion in the hallway signals the true start of your day. It's not obedience, it's awareness. Over time, the house becomes an extension of your own memory. It remembers your preferences and anticipates your needs without ever being asked. Hosting a movie night, one simple voice command, movie time, and the entire atmosphere transforms. Curtains draw lights dim, the sound system balances, and the front door locks automatically. No more juggling remotes or flipping switches, just a seamless transition from living to living well. Behind this elegant simplicity lies extraordinary complexity. Algorithms, learning your occupancy patterns, energy trends, and even emotional cues. A security network that perfectly balances convenience with caution, and everything is secured with encrypted communications between devices, ensuring your privacy is always protected. It's a symphony of unseen intelligence, performing flawlessly without needing applause. As you finally get ready for bed, the system does one last check. Doors locked, lights off, temperature stable, Cameras activa. A soft whisper of white noise fills the room, helping you drift off to sleep. The home, in its own way, rests two sensors, dim devices idle, and networks quiet down. But even in silence, it listens. If anything happens in the night, your home will act discreetly and effectively. Protection isn't just a feature, it's a constant, reassuring presence. This is the connected home of 2025. It's not about flashy lights or gimmicks. It's about seamless, intuitive living. A place where every system speaks the same language, where convenience and security share the same heartbeat. From the lights to the locks, from the air to the sound, your home becomes less of a machine and more of a companion, one that adapts, protects, and truly understands you. It's not just a smart house. It's a home that finally feels like home. Thank you so much for watching. If you're as excited about the future of smart living as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos exploring the technology that will shape our world. See you in the next one.